Ever wondered how a sandwich turns into energy for running, thinking, and growing? That whole journey is called digestion, and it happens in stages inside your body. It all starts in your mouth, the very first stop on the journey. Your teeth break food into smaller pieces called mechanical digestion. Saliva mixes in too, softening food and starting to break down starches. This is chemical digestion using special proteins called enzymes to break molecules apart. Once chewed, you swallow, and food travels down a tube called the esophagus. Muscles squeeze in waves to push the food along, called peristalsis. Next, food arrives in the stomach, a stretchy bag of muscle. The stomach churns food and mixes it with strong acid. This acid kills harmful microbes and helps enzymes break down proteins. After churning, food becomes a soupy mixture called chyme. This chyme then moves into the small intestine, a long coiled tube. Don't let the name fool you, it's actually about 7 meters long. Here, most chemical digestion finishes, breaking food into tiny, usable pieces. The pancreas and liver help out by sending in extra digestive juices. The liver makes bile, which breaks big fat globules into smaller droplets. The pancreas releases enzymes that finish breaking down carbs, proteins, and fats. Now the nutrients are small enough to pass into your bloodstream. This happens through tiny finger-like structures called villi. Villi increase surface area, so more nutrients can be absorbed quickly. Absorbed nutrients enter tiny blood vessels inside each villus. From there, your blood carries nutrients like glucose all around your body. Glucose is a type of sugar your cells use for energy. But what about the leftover stuff your body can't digest or absorb? That waste moves into the large intestine, the next part of the tube. Here, water is absorbed back into your body from the leftover material. This turns the waste from liquid into solid, ready to leave your body. Finally, the solid waste is stored and later removed through the rectum. So that's the full journey, mouth to stomach, to intestines to exit, but absorbing glucose is only half the story of getting energy. Your cells still need to unlock the energy stored inside that glucose. This happens through a process called respiration, which happens in every cell. Cells combine glucose with oxygen to release energy, carbon dioxide, and water. That released energy powers everything you do, from thinking to sprinting. So digestion breaks food down and respiration turns it into usable energy. Both processes work together every single day without you even noticing. Now you know exactly how your sandwich becomes the energy to move. Next time we'll explore respiration in more detail and how your cells breathe.